So hello guys and welcome back to another video. So the last video was about the mileage of this beast, you can say, Renault Triber. So a lot of you complained that the car was not driven like that और ये सारी चीजें दुनिया भर की आपने कमी बताई. And a lot of you told about the average speed. You all told that you should do a live test as well. So आज की इस वीडियो में we will do the live test of this Renault Triber, the mileage test actually, and the conditions are mostly highway sort of only because there's no traffic jam whatsoever. So my brother was driving the car. We will do the mileage test actually, and yes, the seat is not adjusted to my height right now. Yes, now it is done. Okay. So what we will do, we will just go to instant fuel economy actually. Where is it? Okay, and the driving eco will be reset. So here we go to the driving eco and here we are. Yes, so everything is zero right now, you saw, and here is the instant fuel economy as well. So what we will do, we will just turn the car on, but before that let me wear the seat belt because that is an important thing for sure, and he is not wearing, but he will wear as soon as we start driving. So here I am. So let me just start the car, and I will not rev the car more than 2000 kilometers, मतलब 2000 rpm. जैसे ही 2000 rpm पे कार जाएगी, I will change the gears, and now we are off. So here we go. So you can see that the car is 21 kilometers per hour till now. And we will drive in a calm and composed mood for sure. Or right now the instant fuel economy is coming 18 kilometers per hour. 18 kilometers per liter, 20. So I will shift to 5th gear, and here you can see 39 kilometers per liter right now. But yeah, we don't have to see the instant fuel economy. We will see the overall mileage. Okay. So आगे से U-turn भी हमें लेनी है. तो अभी हमने U-turn ले लिया है, and now we will start driving the car once again. So here we go, and again instant 14, 10.5, 11.5, and you can see that as soon जैसे ही आप हल्की सी अगर गाड़ी को एक्सेलरेट करते हो, the mileage starts dropping. That is the problem. But other than that, अभी we are testing with no air conditioner. The air conditioner is off actually. And then आप fuel economy देख सकते हो in that case as well. And the road is also sort of clean as such, and there are a little bit of humps as such, not a lot, थोड़े बहुत हैं, but the road is clean अगर आप उस टाइप से देखो. So guys, here you can see that we have done one round till now, and till now what is the average we have got. So you can see the average consumption is 19.2 kilometer per liter without air conditioner. So the last test will be with air conditioner. The average speed was 21.7 kilometers. So here we go. Now mileage is dropping. So now we will test with air conditioner as well. And yeah, you can see that the car is struggling. Okay. So the mileage is now 8.19 kilometers. Yeah, in terms of power also the car is now losing its breath, and here you can see the mileage has gone just 14 now. Okay, 14.2 kilometers. तो आप सभी लोग जानते हो कि गाड़ी 40 तो देखो नहीं देगी. Okay, because you can know that 20 तो claim किया ARAI ने. So how will the car give 40? Because it was showing 40. So I think that if it is showing 40, so the car has returned somewhere around 13 to 14 in you can say non-AC. But with AC the car's mileage is not that great as such. I think 9-10 only. So yeah, we've got to know that the mileage of the car with AC is not that great. And yeah, now I will travel a little bit more, just I think just 1 kilometer more, and after that we will see the overall thing that what we have got from this Renault Triber. So let's take a U-turn from here. So here we go, and yeah, the pickup is sort of decent, not that great. If you have driven more cars, then yeah, you will just say that the pickup is not great and all those things. But yeah, then also you can say that average sort of car it is. and you can see the mileage now. I am just cruising at 58 kilometers per hour, lightest foot on earth as well, and then you can see 20, 24, 29. So yeah, but the main thing is the overall mileage, so we will check that as well. And here you go, 60 kilometers per hour. So we will stop over there and then we will check the overall thing. So yeah, here we go, we will just stop here. Okay, so we are here actually. Now I will just put the car in neutral, and here you can see that the average consumption is 15.6 kilometers per liter. The average speed was 24.6 kilometer per liter, and the eco coaching you can also see 92 upon 100, which is a lot better. And then also you can see the mileage was just 15.3. Why am I saying just? Because a lot of you were saying that we get 20, we get this much and this much. So bro, you can see it over here that kitna 20 milta hai, because I was driving very nicely as we drive in highway. 40 to 50, 60 kilometers per hour was the average speed, and then also what we got 15.3 kilometers per liter. So I'm not saying that this is bad as such, because we were getting around 7 to 8 kilometers in city. This has driven the car more in city. So what is the average we get in city, bro?
8 to 10.
8 to 10, just 8 to 10. And on highway, yeah, you can see we are getting 15.3 kilometers per liter. We have totally driven 2.8 kilometers the car.
पर मुझे लगता है कि कार में कोई डिफेक्ट है, इसलिए क्योंकि मेरे को जानने वालों ने भी ट्राइबर ले रखी है, उनकी गाड़ी सिटी के अंदर 15 तक का आराम से माइलेज देती है और हाईवे में 20 तक लेके जाती है. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है गाड़ी के साथ में.
So here you can see that the owner is claiming himself. ऐसा नहीं है कि I am hating the car or as such, but yeah, it is what it is, no. और उसके अलावा you can say that a lot of you were thinking that I am saying to your car that your driver is not giving. No bro, we are saying that there is some defect in our car as such. But yeah, overall thing you can see the average consumption is 15.3 kilometers per liter. I have done the live test as well. And guys, that was all from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If yes, then give it a thumbs up. That is the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.